In late November 2025, a 22-year-old diesel mechanic named Ruben Marsberg went missing in Louis Trichardt, Limpopo. Ruben had recently relocated to the area with his brother, hoping to build a future and settle into his new job. But on the morning of the 27th of November 2025, when he failed to collect his brother as planned, concern quickly turned into alarm. A missing person investigation was launched. Weeks passed with no sign of Ruben until police made a breakthrough. On the 13th of December 2025, officers arrested 24-year-old Gerhard Kukumor, also from Louis Trichardt, in connection with Ruben's disappearance. According to police, during the course of the investigation, Kukumor allegedly led officers to a decomposed body discovered near a local prison. The remains were wrapped in a blanket and were believed to be those of Ruben Marsberg. At this stage, the body has not yet been formally identified and DNA testing is still underway to confirm the identity. Police allege that Ruben was attacked at his home sometime in November 2025. The state's case is that he was robbed and assaulted, and that when he resisted, he was allegedly shot. Several items were reported missing from Ruben's home, including a television, a PlayStation, a Toyota Land Cruiser, a boat, and a trailer. During follow-up searches, police reportedly recovered the boat and the trailer from the Kukumor's residence, strengthening the case against him. On the 15th of December 2025, Gerald Kukumor appeared before the Makhando Magistrate Court. He faces charges of premeditated murder, house robbery, possession of suspected stolen property. The matter was postponed to allow for further investigation, offender profiling, and the possibility of a formal bail application. For now, Kukumor remains in police custody. As the investigation continues and forensic results are awaited, one family remains without answers and a community waits to learn what truly happened to Ruben Marsberg. This is Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa, where the law speaks last and justice unfolds in time. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.